let's do it.
Alright, today we're gonna go check out this concrete water tank. It was built in 1931 for the construction of the Hoover Dam. They actually used it to clean off gravel for the cement that was used in the Hoover Dam. It's just across the way from Hemingway Harbor. You can get to it with a small boat. It's not very far, and then just climb up the mountain. If you're out here, I definitely recommend coming up here. It's a pretty good view. On a hot day, definitely bring some water. Today was nice, it was overcast, so it wasn't too sunny. It's one of the reasons why we were able to make it up there.
Almost there. Oh, this is crazy. You good? Okay. We made it. We made it.
This is fucking cool.
This is really cool. I haven't even seen the inside of that thing yet. Just the view is awesome. Oh, babe, this is cool.
Grass splinter.
Did I get it? I think okay.
Oh, the savior. Did you save my life?
That was a close one.
Welcome to the salad bowl. Hey, to everybody out there on YouTube, I want to know who is the one that makes these designs. I think it's the same person that carved the designs into the silos out in the desert going to the state line. So whoever this is, I'd like to know who you are because you have pretty cool art. I think you did this one too. That'd be cool if you can comment and let us know who you are. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.